sheet, the kind of choice board that we are going to work for the foreseeable future. I want to highlight that this board is due on May 1st. That is next Friday. So, again, with the different levels that we have here in band and chorus, some of you will get the minimum done. That's fine. Some of you will use this board to kind of explore things. That's awesome, too. So, again, this is for the next 2 weeks. Every day there are things that you must do. Excuse me, dictionary's coming up. Get out of there. You still have to do attendance every day. That's a school thing, not my thing, but it just got to get done. And the only thing that you're going to turn in necessarily is this document. This is going to be the document that's going to hold all the information. You're responsible to collect the evidence and to put it on this document for me to grade. So it's all about choice. So I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff, but you're going to choose whether that fits the category for what you want to do. All right, you notice down here there are 5 categories: music theory, watch, listen, or read, just for fun, performing, and maintenance. Now, maintenance is just for band. Okay? So, come back up here. So, what's a type of evidence you could do? So, for example, in Just for Fun, I have a topic called ukulele lessons. Well, for evidence, maybe you make a short video of yourself demonstrating what was in that lesson. Give me a link to the lesson. Boom, you're done. Maybe during note identification. We've done all this when we had classroom music. Maybe you'd go to musictheory.net and you get 20 out of 20. You take a screenshot. You put that picture in. Boom, done. I've set up kind of watch discussions for Broadway or Bust. A lot of you are enjoying that. You watch an episode, you come into the class discussion, write a quick summary just to prove you were there, participate in the discussion, and I think we're good. So then let's see. Screenshots, video recordings, class discussions, written response, just normal types of evidence. All right. So just the simple things about grading. If you do one task in each category, you have to do at least one task from each category. That's a 75. You add 2 extra tasks, you're up to 85. You complete 2 tasks from each category, that's 100%. Now, what do I mean by completion? Completion means I accept it. You've done honest effort. It doesn't have to be necessarily perfect. We all know music isn't perfect. But I haven't sent it back to you. You can't just hit turn in and think that's enough. As long as it's honest effort, we're fine. Okay? And here's the board. You're going to fill this in. You're going to put in what tasks did you do. You're going to include evidence here. There might be comments about something that either was great, worked well, or didn't. And this spot is reserved for me to leave some comments. Okay? Now, it is completely possible that you're going to hit and add a row to this. You might have 2 topics that you work on in music theory, and you add a row to this table. All right, but this is the document that you're going to submit. Now, in Google Classroom, you might attach a video, you might do stuff, but you could also put that link right in here. So when I come in to this document, I look at this and all the evidence is there. So let's look at the documents. All right. So this is the one for the band, and you see that they're the 5 categories: music theory, watch, listen, just for fun, perform, and maintenance. Okay. So if you're doing music theory, you click note identification, you complete that, you're done with that category. Maybe you want to learn about DCI. Now, how would you do evidence that you've done that? You might include a short paragraph about something you learned from there. Okay. It's at Vic Percussion. So maybe you're a percussionist and you're working on 5-stroke rolls. You include a short video of you practicing that and what you've learned. So 1 from each category. And you notice the chorus one looks very similar, but it doesn't have a maintenance one on this category. There's only 4. So some of these are the same for the band and chorus. So if you were in band and chorus, you have to do 2 different assignments. You're in 2 different classes. Some of the things may be the same. Okay? So for example, Broadway or Bust, I think, is in both sheets. If you want to do it for both, that's fine. Obviously, your performing will be different. One you're singing, one you're performing on a band instrument. So those will be different. All right. So I hope that answered some of your questions. Remember, this is the document that you're filling in every day. You can, if you watch Broadway or Bust, or finish No Dive Vacation, put the evidence in today. You don't have to wait till May 1st. And keep this kind of as a journal portfolio as we go along. All right. If there are any questions, please make sure you use this document right here to ask. All right. Try to avoid sending me an email, those types of things, unless it's a very personal type of issue of where you can't get something done or you can't figure something out. For lessons, I'm encouraging you to sign up for lessons. It could be on your instrument. It could be we discuss something. It could be a group. For example, I'm going to assign Shenandoah and Smart Music today, and maybe you're having trouble with the beginning of that. We could work on that. Maybe you're playing clarinet and you want to work on getting over the break. Maybe you want to work on your 9-stroke rolls, etc. So I'd be happy to meet for short 10, 15, 20-minute lessons. I'm here all day, so I'm ready to work. Please make sure you watch this video. Watch the other video I posted today right here before you ask any questions, and then we can go. All right? So good luck.